How's it going, y'all? Back with the first cleanup. Turned out pretty good. We didn't get nothing big and chunky yet, but my shadow made a pretty big hole for about an hour and a half. I'm about to start blasting that clay down there. There's some big old. Damn. Yeah, there's some big old rocks down in there that are cemented with the clay. Hey, boom. No pickers on the first one, but it's not bad for hour and 20, hour and 30 minutes. Got some Mondo big garnets. Some big boy garnets. Alright, y'all. See you next cleanup. Remember, we got 2 days of this shit. Peace, I'm out.